Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the direct form structure of IIR filter. So we have already classified our signal like FIR and IIR filter. We discuss over here the direct form structure of IIR filter. So we discuss here two direct form structure of IIR filter, direct form 1 and direct form 2. So the direct form structure of IIR filter will be derived by using this equation. So the equation is given like that: yn is equal to ym is equal to k is equal to 1 to n summation a k y of m minus k n plus g of x and m. So you can see over here, here the input and the output response we are considering. So it is a IIR filter, right? So elaborate this equation. If we'll open this equation, we will get the equation like that, that is a1 y of m minus 1 plus g of x of m, right, plus a2 y of m minus 2 plus g of m, then so on up to n. So we will get the equation like this. So this is the equation we will get after solving the this parametrical equation like summation k is equal to 1 to n a k y of m minus k plus gxm. Now that equation, if I will concluded with that, we will implement this structure. So this structure is nothing but direct form structure, right? So g is the constant factor over here, and that is multiplied with xm. So we'll take the input xm and g over here. So we are here with the signal x of m into g. So this is the same signal we will get at this point. Now after that, we have a summation equation with this factor a1 y of m minus 1, right? Then plus a2 y of m minus 2 plus a3 y of m minus 3 up to a n y of m minus n. So if we'll consider the factor m minus 1, then m minus 1 in the term of Z transform replace with Z inverse. Okay, so Z inverse into a1 is the factor over here, then summation was there because we are using summation factor, then summation will be here. The next factor was a2 with Z minus 2, that Z minus 2 again we will multiply with this factor, then we are over here with the Z minus 2 factor, then a2 factor, then summation over here, right? And a3 up to this one again Z minus 1 से multiply करेंगे, then a3 over here, then plus, and we will get the signal up to nth. Then finally we'll add the signal and we'll get the output yn. So this is the direct form structure of our IIR filter. Again, the simplest form of IIR filter structure is given over here. If we have the signal with like xn as an input and yn as an output, then we have the direct form 2 structure as well, right? So direct form 2 structure is nothing but we will take the output response on this side and input response this side. So we'll just interchange. In direct form structure, we have the input on the left side and output on the right side, but in direct form 2 structure, input on the right side and output in the left side. So that is the reciprocal of the direct form 1. So other factor will be the same like that. B naught constant, then B1 Z inverse के साथ summation होगा, B2 Z minus 2 will be there, and similarly we have that A inverse, that is Z inverse, we will get over here minus A1 Z minus 1. Similarly we will get over here minus A2 Z minus 2, and so on. So finally we'll add this signal, we will get this Y of n. And this is the combined direct form 2 structure of our IIR filter. We'll get the xn signal over here, yn signal over. Now this is the reduced form of our direct form 1, because we are using only common Z inverse element over. So it will require less memory, require less component, less expensive in comparison to our direct form 1 structure, and the structure will be same over here. So Z inverse, A inverse factor will be go to this side, then Z raised to power minus 2 minus a2 structure will be go this side. Again Z inverse B1 factor will be go over here, Z minus 2 B2 factor will be go over here. Then finally we will conclude that this is a reduced form structure with reduced component in comparison to the earlier one. Thank you very much. This is all about the direct form 1 and direct form 2 of the IAR filter structure. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on this. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.